Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're at the OC Fairgrounds in Costa Mesa, California at the Classic Auto Show. Now there's so much amazing cars and automobile collections here at the Classic Auto Show, and we actually found one amazing car here. This is an original 1967 Chevrolet Pace Car. Now all of these Camaros that were Pace cars for the Indy 500, they were all convertible and they all came with this vinyl decal on the side. This decal looks amazing. It's a Chevrolet Camaro, official Pace car of the 51st annual Indianapolis 500-mile race on May 30th, 1967. Now, 1967 was the first year of the Chevrolet Camaro. Amazing thing. So this is one of the first years of the Camaro. It was one of the first batches, and this is a real official Pace car. Now, the owner was telling us that this car went through a full restoration, and it had a restoration vinyl put on the side. So they spent a lot of time to actually make this vinyl exactly the same as the 1967 vinyl. Now, how do you care for this? Because this whole piece is actually one whole vinyl, all the way from the front of this door over here to the end right by the door handle. Come over here, guys, check this out, right by that door handle. That is one full piece of vinyl, so it's a huge piece. Now, how would you care for this? How do you protect vinyl to make sure that it stays looking good? Because the biggest problem with vinyl is that it fades from UV solar rays. So after time, UV solar rays can fade the vinyl. But guess what? At Masterson's Car Care, we have the solution for that, and that's gonna be our ceramic spray sealant. Now, our ceramic spray sealant is the #1 selling ceramic spray sealant in the world. We applied it to cars all around the globe, all around the United States, and this product is gonna protect your paint and your vinyl. Watch how easy we can protect and clean up this vinyl using this amazing product. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna spray it on the vinyl. There we go. And once it's on the vinyl, we take our microfiber towel, and what we're doing is we're just spreading out the Masterson ceramic spray sealant. And down here at the bottom, there's an aluminum trim, stainless trim. You don't have to worry about that. Just go ahead and apply the ceramic as well. It's safe on vinyl trim. And then once it's spread on the surface, we flip our towel to a clean side, and we just gently buff it off. So we're gently buffing the paintwork and the vinyl sticker to protect the sticker. Now, our Masterson ceramic spray sealant is designed using UV solar technology that resists stains and UV solar rays. So this white paint is gonna stay protected and the vinyl wrap is gonna stay protected. Now, this really does look amazing and it feels so slick. This vinyl is incredible, and we know it's gonna be protected against UV solar rays. If we didn't apply the ceramic spray sealant to this vinyl, in a few years, this would start to turn yellow, and that's what happened to a lot of original Pace cars. But you can stop that today. Protect your vinyl and protect your paint using your Masterson's ceramic spray sealant. Now, thanks a lot, guys, for checking out this video. If you want to pick up a bottle of our Masterson's ceramic spray sealant, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And we're gonna go check out some more amazing cars at this show. Remember, go pick up this today, use it on your vinyl, your paint, your glass, your wheels, everything on the outside of the car. Our ceramic spray sealant is gonna make it amazing, have it a high gloss shine, and protect it from the elements. But thanks a lot, guys. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.